Hi everybody, this is Michelle with AP Fire Protection. We are doing a live video this morning demonstrating fire extinguisher protection. So I'm going to turn the camera around and you will see the star of our show, Todd Pine. And there you go.
We're going to give you an example of how to use a fire extinguisher in case of a fire, in case you ever have to use them. So what you need to do is grab the extinguisher by the bottom handle so it sits in your hand like this. You're going to twist the pull pin and you're going to pull the pull pin out. Okay? Grab the hose, point at the base of the fire, squeeze down on the top handle, and that will expel the agent, which will then knock down the fire. Okay, now we'll go ahead and go live.
All right. So here we go. We're going to actually extinguish a fire. And of course it's controlled. Everything's approved. Things are going to get warm here. It's a flammable liquid. That is Curtis. Getting that liquid started. Don't do this at home. This is controlled. This is approved for training purposes. So we see that fire going. Flammable liquid. Todd's got the extinguisher. Pulled that pin. Aim. Shoot for the base of the fire and sweep. And there it goes. Oh, we're going to go ahead and do a few more. Some of the ladies are gonna give it a try. So you always want to remember pass, which is pull,
aim, squeeze, and sweep.
There we go. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. So she's aiming at the base of the fire. There you go. Base of the fire. There you go. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Remembering the acronym PASS. Helps with fire extinguisher use.
Got it?
Here we go. Here we go. The hotter it gets, the harder it is to put out. So. Nice job, Sam. Good. All right, we got Becca. She's up. Fire extinguisher training. Remembering the acronym of PASS. Pull the pin. Aim at the base of the fire. Squeeze and sweep. There we go. Nice work. All right, here we go.
Okay, so grab an extinguisher.
My pull pin did not want to come out.
Yep.
Here we go. Again, controlled environment, all approved. Whoa. Getting that right at the base of the fire. Woo! Well, it's still going. There we go. I'm going to move out of the fog here. Todd's gonna finish extinguishing it. Running pretty hot. There he goes, there he goes. Nice work. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this educational from AP Fire Protection. Thank you for joining us. Huh?
Want to use it?
Yeah, I'll do it. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign off.